Hi everyone! Today I'll walk you through the process of creating a recap video for 2024 using HitPaw Edimakor. Make sure to watch until the end and don't forget to subscribe. First, open HitPaw Edimakor and click Create a Video. If you haven't downloaded it, you can click the link that I put in the description area. Second, then TikTok and get the background music. Then TikTok and type the 2024 recap video in the search bar. Copy-paste the link and get the background music. Third, beat detection. Right-click the audio and select beat detection. Here let's choose the fast version. Fourth, add animated text to it. Right-click the audio and select speech to text. You can see all the narration in the background music is translated into text. Now let's go to text. There are many text templates for you to choose from, where you can use normal text and design it yourself. After you add those texts the way you want, let's add animation to it so it would appear more natural.
And with that, the 2024 season comes to an end. Good night.
Fifth, add videos to it. Import your videos and drag them to the timeline. Now adjust its duration to align with the beat sign, and that's the final result.
And with that, the 2024 season comes to an end. Good night.
Isn't that easy? If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.